ready?
I'm recording. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Don't hurt yourself. We're about to give you the 4 things that you must do at Glacier National Park.
With kids.
With kids. Shall we start?
Number 1.
Number 1, go into the sun road.
It's a must do. You
It's
gotta
a must
do it.
Just do it.
All the way to the top.
No excuses, all the way to the top.
Hang on tight.
Hang on tight.
Number
2, when you are at the top, do the
must
Hidden
go
Lake
to
Trail.
Hidden Lake Trail.
Yes.
Yeah.
Off of the Logan Pass. Do not miss it.
It's worth it.
Yeah. We're going to the sun, guys.
Going to the sun?
Going to the sun. So we parked at the Logan Pass, and now we're doing a little hike to this beauty.
Driving on a dusty road, feeling every dream's expired. I retrace every step I take. My God, I miss the signs of life.
Yes. Number 3, Avalanche Lake hike.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was one of the coolest spots.
Oh man, it's so beautiful.
I loved it. Do it.
Number 4, Lake
Lake
McDonald. We had a lazy day at Lake McDonald,
Yeah.
and we did it with our friends Never Say Someday, Steven and Alexis.
There guys.
Go and check them out on Instagram at Never Say Someday.
Shout
The
out.
sweetest
Shout
van family you'll meet.
So we got the boys with us, and we're hopefully going to make this trail, what, 5 miles? So we're hopefully make the whole entire trail. It's 5 miles round trip. We got snacks, water, change of clothes, and so far so good.
Yep.
See, got my bear spray. You know, better safe than sorry.
We had it all, but then we lost it. The outer trappings had a false sense of all the things we thought we wanted. We've let them go and found that.
What do you think, bud?
It just feels good to be alive.
There's a dead fish.
It feels so good to be alive. Built a kingdom from the dirt, watched it all burn
Hey,
down.
Jack, you got the best seat, buddy. What do you say?
Look how long
Sifting through a history of wanting gain the poison of desire.
It's so cool. Okay, the trail is going up, and we're going up. Come on, boys.
We had it all, but then we lost it.
Almost.
The roles we played,
What? Look at this warning.
for a future that we plotted. We let it go and found that it just feels good to be alive. It feels so good to be alive. It feels so good to be alive. Come on, wave goodbye. I see it in your eyes. There's no more time to waste, waiting for someday to feel alive. It just feels good to be alive.
One more.
It feels so good to be alive.
Don't hurt yourself. So those are our 4 favorite things that we did at Glacier National Park.
Easy, 1, 2, 3, 4.
We probably could have done more. There's so much to do, guys. So go and visit it. The most beautiful place that we've ever seen.